So welcome back to My Contractor Tradesman business, and welcome to part two of setting up your website, your website architecture, the pages, and the categories and subcategories for best ranking in Google. If you haven't watched part one, go and watch that, because that'll give you all the information of what this section's about. And in this section, I just wanted to go over, again, looking at the categories, the subcategories, and the suburbs, and the best way of actually setting those up. So, and we'll, like I said, this goes on from part one, and we'll just look at that again in a tree structure, the categories and how that would actually be set up on your page. So it'll make it a bit clearer of what the tool was from part one, or how that works, and the benefits of that. So let's now flick across and let's get into it. All right, so firstly what we'll do is, as from part one, the tool that we used, we were looking at plumbing. And as you can see here, it's the same website, the structure's the same. We've got gjplumbing.com.au, and then we've got plumber East Melbourne, plumber Elstonwick, Fitzroy, and then we go into our three categories and our subcategories. So if we scroll down here, our first category was block drains, and then our subcategories for block drains was hydrojetting, CCT diagnostics, drain snaking. So I'll just scroll back up. So again, here we go back to the main category, plumber, and then we've got East Melbourne, so on. And then what we've got here, again, we start with the block drains category, and then our suburbs under that. Then we've got block drains hydrojetting, that's our subcategory. Block drains CCT diagnostics, and block drains drain snaking. And then under each of those, we've got our suburbs. So what you're doing here is you're just trying to allow Google to look at your website and go, okay, what are the categories, what are the subcategories, and in what areas and suburbs are you working? And doing the design this way of your website, it tells Google that, yes, we're doing this category, we're doing these subcategories, and we're working in these areas. So that then all becomes a consistent structure, and Google can look at your website and go, okay, this is what these guys do, this is all the categories and the services that they offer, and this is the suburbs that they work in. And if that's set up in a consistent manner, you will rank much quicker on Google than otherwise. So now, how do you set up your page? So again, coming back here, what you've got is, that'll actually be Plumber Melbourne. That's wrong. Plumber Melbourne. So your index page would be set up as Plumber Melbourne. You'd have a paragraph about Plumbing Melbourne, paragraph about GJ Plumbing, and you'd put Melbourne keywords in there. You'd have then a paragraph about block drains, a paragraph about water systems, a paragraph about emergency plumbing services, and Melbourne would be throughout these. That would then link to your block drains page. That would link to your hot water systems page. That would then link to your emergency plumbing page. So then let's take that step further, and let's then go from, say, the block drains section in your index page to your plumbing, to your block drain page. So here we've got it. And then what you do, block drains would be Melbourne, again, something about your business. And then what you would do is you'd have hydrojetting. These are the subcategories of block drains, CCT diagnostics, and then drain snaking. And again, this would be all Melbourne. And then you would lead to an individual page on these things, which would then be about Melbourne. And that would have a full comprehensive breakdown of hydrojetting, what it is, what the services are that you offer, and so on and so on. and then this would then link to your suburb pages. Now, one thing I just want to go back to and say is, as I stated probably in the last video, what you can do is you can include these pages, or you can just remove plumber, because your main index page would become plumber Melbourne. So to actually build, say if you were building the East Melbourne page, it would have all these same things here, except you'd replace East Melbourne with Melbourne, and then you try and rank for that. And then these pages would link to your block drained East Melbourne page. This would be your hot water systems East Melbourne page, and this would be your emergency plumbing services East Melbourne page, which, if we go back up here, we've already built our pages here. So basically, block drains page, we've done one for East Melbourne, so that would link to these, whichever they are for that category and subcategory. All right, so now what I'll do is I'll just show you how that looks like in a tree format. We'll minimize that. And what we've got here is just a tree format of those pages. You'd have your navigation system here, contact us, different types of testimonials page, whatever you've got there. Then, like I said, you'd go across here to your plumber page, and then, your suburb pages under there. Then you've got block drain page. Each of those would have a suburb underneath that. This would be block drains Melbourne. And then they'd be linked to hydrojetting, CCTV, drain snaking pages. And then basically your suburb pages under that. And then exactly the same for hot water systems, and exactly the same for emergency plumbing services. So again, consistent categories, subcategories, and suburbs. And this is all in a very good hierarchy that Google can just go and look at and go, oh, yeah, we understand that. This is what they do. This is their services they offer, the category of the service, subcategory of the service, and basically your suburb. So what you're trying to do, and we're looking at East Melbourne, Elstonwick and Fitzroy. So as you can see, East Melbourne's over here, Elstonwick's down here, Fitzroy's up here. So you've got a full circle of you've got a full circle that you're trying to enclose and tell Google this is where we do services. And then of course you can add pages as you go along for different suburbs. So you'd start off with that, rank for those suburbs, and then add Hawthorn, you could add South Yarra, you could add Balwyn, you could add Braybrook, Footscray, and so on and so on. So anyway, so that's basically the outline of I'll just go back to that, how you set up your pages. We'll go back here. That's pretty much how you do it for most of your pages. Right, so we'll just come back to this, and thank you very much for listening. And any questions, put them down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.